How to update a registered phone number on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to update your registered phone number on Unocoin application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To update your registered phone number on Unocoin, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on More at the bottom right. Then go to Profile or Settings. Look for phone number and tap Edit next to it. You will be asked to enter your new number. After typing it in, tap Send OTP. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on the new number. Enter it in the app and tap Verify. Once verified, your phone number will be updated. Unocoin may send a confirmation message or email you will need to know the change was successful. That's it, guys. That's your new phone number is now linked to your account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.